In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist Cloudflare IP addresses. Whitelisting IPs is an essential task, especially if you want to ensure that trusted users or systems can access your website without being blocked or restricted by security settings. Whether you're troubleshooting access issues or just want to streamline operations for specific IP ranges, this process will help you configure your Cloudflare account to allow certain IPs with ease. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Open your browser, head over to Cloudflare's login page and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which lists all the websites you're managing through Cloudflare. From here, choose the website where you'd like to whitelist IP addresses. Clicking on the site's name will take you to that specific site's dashboard. Now that you're on the site dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This menu is where you'll find all the options for managing your site's settings. Here, locate and click on the option labeled Security. This section of your dashboard is where you can adjust your site's security settings, including customizing rules for traffic control and protection. After clicking on Security, the menu will expand to show more detailed options. From the expanded menu, go ahead and select Security Rules. This is the area where you can create and manage rules that allow or block traffic based on specific criteria. It's essentially the control center for fine-tuning how your site interacts with visitors. Once you're in the Security Rules section, look for a button that says Create Rule. Click on it to start setting up your new rule. This is the step where you'll define the criteria for whitelisting specific IP addresses or ranges. The next step is to name your rule. You can choose any name that makes it easy for you to identify the rule later on. For example, you might call it Whitelist Trusted IP or something similar. The name doesn't affect the functionality of the rule itself, but it's helpful for keeping your rules organized, especially if you create multiple rules in the future. Now, here's where you specify the IP address or range of IP addresses you want to whitelist. In the condition field, enter the IP you trust and want to allow through. If you have multiple IPs, you can also specify a range to ensure they're all included. This step is crucial because it tells Cloudflare exactly which traffic should bypass certain protections. After specifying the IPs, you'll need to decide which features you want to bypass for these whitelisted addresses. Cloudflare offers several options here, such as bypassing the Web Application Firewall or WAF, the Browser Integrity Check, the Security Level, Rate Limiting, or the Managed Challenge. Take a moment to consider what's necessary for your use case. For instance, if the trusted IPs belong to a system that frequently pings your site, bypassing rate limiting might be important. Simply check the features you want to bypass, and you're good to go. Finally, once you've named your rule, added the IP details, and selected the bypass features, it's time to apply the rule. To do this, click on the Deploy button. Cloudflare will save and activate your rule immediately, and your whitelisted IPs will now be able to bypass the selected security features. And that's it. You've successfully created a whitelist for specific IP addresses in Cloudflare. This setup can save you from unnecessary headaches, while ensuring that trusted users or systems can interact with your site seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.